Let's build self-confidence.
We want equal employment opportunities.
We want to work for social harmony.
We want quality education.
We want a healthy married life.
We fight against social discrimination.
Rights-based society is our goal.
We want the best assistive technology for our upliftment.
We want to improve our communication skills and social skills.
We are in no way different from you.
The Rotary Club of Drishti is exclusively formed for the visually challenged youngsters under the Rotary International. Since its inception in February 2012, it has hosted a number of programs to bring about awareness among the general public about the visually impaired. It has been a platform for the visually challenged students to exhibit their talents as well as their organizational skills.
Hello friends, this is Sarvanan. I am doing my MA English Literature in Presidency College. I am the president of Rotary Club of Drishti for the year 2012 and 13. I want to thank our parent club, Rotary Club of Madras Coromandel, for giving a wonderful opportunity to serve the society. In this year, the state level volleyball tournament for the visually impaired was our first project. It gave more and more motivation and it had given a wonderful success to us. In the beginning days, I was so afraid to talk in front of the audience. But when I entered into the club activities, I have learned so many soft skills and I have improved my communication skills too. I hope in future, our club will do many successful projects and services to the society.
வணக்கம், என்னோட பேர் சாமுவேல். நான் ரோட்டரி கிளப் ஆஃப் திருஷ்டியோட செக்ரட்டரியாக இருக்கேன். நான் பொன்னேரியில் இருக்க ஸ்ரீதேவி காலேஜில் பிஎட் ஸ்டூடெண்ட்டாக இருக்கேன். பிஎட் படிச்சுட்டு இருக்கேன். இந்த ரோட்டரி கிளப் ஆஃப் திருஷ்டி வந்து தொடங்கி 1 இயர் ஆகிருக்கு. இந்த 1 இயரில் வந்து நாங்கள் பல விதமான ப்ராஜெக்ட் பண்ணியிருக்கோம். இப்போதைக்கு எங்களுடைய கிளப்பில் வந்து 52 பேர் மெம்பர்ஸாக இருக்காங்க. இனிமேல் நிறைய பேர் வருஷத்துக்கு வருஷம் சேர்ந்துட்டே இருப்பாங்க.
I am G. Balasubramanian, President of Rotary Club of Madras Coromandel for the year 2011-12, in which year we started Drishti as a Rotary Club. We facilitate the life-changing, economically remunerative and socially purposeful transformation of the visually challenged through Drishti.
Some of the major programs that are conducted at Drishti comprise state-level volleyball tournament, summer camp and parental counseling. The students of Drishti have participated in many workshops and have contributed to the Tamil media journalism and the Carnatic music show.
I am Vijay Kumar, Associate Professor of English of Presidency College. As a fellow coordinator of the Rotary Club of Drishti, I wish to talk about the objectives of the club. First and foremost, we want every family, every member of the family to realize that the visually challenged child is not a liability, that they are all members who could very well contribute for the well-being of the family and the welfare of the society. Yet another objective of the club is to give them organizational training. We want our students to be active participants, involving themselves in the conduct of programs, games, competitions, seminars and such events. The main objective of the club is to foster social inclusion. Every member of the society should realize that the visually handicapped person or person suffering from any kind of handicap is no way inferior, and that the best way to make his life bright is to recognize him and treat him on a par with them.
அனைவருக்கும் வணக்கம். என் பெயர் விக்னேஸ்வரி. நான் மாநில கல்லூரியில் ஆங்கில இலக்கிய முதுகலை பட்டம் 2ஆம் ஆண்டு பயின்று வருகிறேன். நான் இந்த ரோட்டரி கிளப் ஆஃப் திருஷ்டியின் பொருளாளராக பணியாற்றி வருகிறேன். 2012ஆம் ஆண்டு இந்த கிளப்பில் முதலாக நான் இந்த கிளப்பில் வந்தேன். அப்போது ஒருத்தரோடு ஒருத்தர் மிங்கிள் ஆகிறதே வந்து எனக்கு ரொம்ப டிஃபிகல்ட்டாக இருந்துச்சு. நான் பேசிக்காக வந்து ரொம்ப ஷை டைப்பு, யார்கிட்டையும் சீக்கிரமாக நான் மிங்கிள் ஆக மாட்டேன். இந்த கிளப்பில் ஜாயின் பண்ணதுக்கப்புறம் வந்து என்கிட்டே வந்து நிறைய மாற்றம் எனக்கு தெரிஞ்சுது. நிறைய ப்ரோக்ராம்ஸ் எல்லாம் ஆர்கனைஸ் பண்ணுற அளவுக்கு வந்து என்னால் முடிஞ்சுது. எனக்கு பேசிக்காக வந்து நல்ல சோஷியல் சர்வீஸ் பண்ணணுன்றது என்னுடைய ஆசை. அதுக்கு வந்து இந்த கிளப் வந்து எனக்கு ஒரு ஒரு நல்ல வாய்ப்பை ஏற்படுத்தி கொடுத்துச்சு. கிளப்பில் வந்து நான் ஒரு பொருளாளராக இருக்கிறதுக்கு ரொம்ப பெருமைப்படுறேன். இனிமேல் வந்து பணத்தை வச்சு எப்படி மெயின்டைன் பண்ணணும், பணத்தோட வேல்யூ தெரிஞ்சுட்டு இந்த கிளப்புக்கு வந்து நிறைய வந்து என்னால் முடிஞ்ச அளவுக்கு நிறைய சேவை செய்வேன் அப்படின்னு வந்து சொல்லிக்கிறதுல பெருமைப்படுறேன்.
Hi, I'm Karthik from Rotary Club of Madras Coromandel. I was quite fortunate to be the new generation director in the year in which Drishti was started. Drishti's endeavor is to create a platform wherein the visually challenged achievers inspire the visually challenged students, plant the idea that there are alternative career options. Drishti would like to prepare them for these career options and eventually be able to get them a job in their chosen field.
Every child is born to achieve. Loss of sight need not really cripple an individual. All that they need is a family's acceptance and support, and being treated as one among the other in the society.
என்னோட பேர் ரேவதி. நான் ஒரு விசுவலி இம்பேர்ட். என்னோட 5 வயசு வரைக்கும் என் அம்மா அப்பாவுக்கு நான் பிளைண்ட் அப்படின்றது தெரியாது. அவங்க அதை தெரிஞ்ச போதும் அக்செப்ட் பண்ணிக்கல. ஏன்னா அவுட் சைட் வேர்ல்டு இருக்கிற யாருக்குமே நான் பிளைண்ட் அப்படின்றது தெரியக்கூடாதுன்னு அவங்க நினச்சாங்க. இது வரைக்குமே அவங்க அக்செப்ட் பண்ணிக்கல. இப்போது நான் குயின் மேரிஸ் காலேஜில் செகண்ட் இயர் பிஏ இங்கிலீஷ் லிட்ரேச்சர் பண்ணிகிட்ருக்கேன். பட் எனக்கு கான்ஃபிடென்ட் இருக்குது, என்னால் படிக்க முடியும், அச்சீவ் பண்ண முடியுன்றது.
I am Dr. Shivaraman. I teach English at Presidency College. Identifying blindness itself is a problem for the majority of parents. They are born blind, and when the parents are not able to identify, they just don't take them to the doctor at all. They respond only to sounds. They do not respond to the light, the colors, the bright colors that are usually shown to kids at this time. So that is when the parents have to pay attention. When they respond only to sounds, you will have to take them immediately to the doctor. This is how the identification of blindness can be made, in fact, at the infant level.
என் பேர் அம்மு. நான் ரோட்டரி கிளப் டிஸ்ட்ரிக்டில் மெம்பராக இருக்கேன். நான் எம்எட் முடிச்சுட்டேன். 1 to 12th வரைக்கும் அமலர் ஆர்கனி ஸ்கூல் ஃபார் தி பிளைண்ட் ஸ்பெஷல் ஸ்கூலில் நான் படித்தேன். அங்கே வந்து எல்லோரும் படிக்கிற மாதிரி சயின்ஸ் அண்ட் மேக்ஸு இல்லை. பிளைண்ட் ஸ்டூடெண்ட்டுக்கு வந்து குறிப்பாக காமர்ஸ், எக்கனாமிக்ஸ், பாலிட்டிக்ஸ் அது மாதிரியான சப்ஜெக்ட்ஸ் தான் இருக்குது. இப்போ வந்து கம்ப்யூட்டர்ஸ் நாலேஜ்லாம் வந்து ரொம்ப இம்ப்ரூவ் ஆகிட்டு வர்றதுனால எங்களுக்கும் வந்து இந்த மேக்ஸு, சயின்ஸ் இது மாதிரியான படிக்கிறதுக்கான ஆப்பர்ச்சுனிட்டிஸ் கிடைச்சிதுன்னா எங்களாலையும் நல்ல ஜாபுக்கு ஏர்ன் பண்ண முடியும்.
Many people from different walks of life have proved this by pursuing their higher studies and setting the foot in different professions.
I am Dr. Garimella Subramaniam. I am a journalist. I work as a senior assistant editor with the Hindu newspaper in Chennai. Today's scenario, where you have plenty of IT enabled services and assistive aids for disabled people, it's not difficult for a disabled person or a blind person to identify the things he can do. You should look at what the child is interested in. You should study a course that you like to study. You read a subject that you like to read. Then you will become competent in the field and you will automatically find employment some way or the other. You will arrive at a situation where nobody has to give you a job. You will find your job. So therefore, please encourage your son or daughter to study a course that he or she is interested in pursuing. Jobs will automatically follow and you will acquire proficiency in time. And that is the secret of life.
There are exceptional people, though being visually impaired, have achieved and pursued their career in different domains.
I'm B. Ram Kumar, Deputy Manager, Alternate Channels and Payments, Local Head Office, State Bank of India. At State Bank of India Local Head Office, I take care of retail internet banking, corporate internet banking and mobile banking. With respect to employment opportunity in banking industry is concerned for the visually impaired, the options are wide open as the vacancies are immense. So the only thing we need to do is that we need to concentrate how to go about writing the exams. I will just share my experience how I came to this State Bank of India. Initially, I had 2 rounds of written examination wherein I have to clear the first one in order to sit for the second one. Once that is done, I was taken into a group discussion and interview After passing through all those 4 stages, I was trained vigorously in various aspects of banking for 2 years, from 2009 to 2011. And one more opportunity which State Bank of India provides uniquely is that at the end of confirmation, it gives an opportunity for double promotion. At the end of the training, we get a exam known as a confirmation examination, wherein when a candidate scores above 75%, he will be filtered to appear for the interview for the next stage. So fortunately, I was a part of it, and then again I have to undergo 2 rounds of interview, like group discussion and interview, wherein I have to again score above 75%, and I did that, and now I have been placed as a deputy manager over here. Here I handle customer queries with branches, give support to the branches, handle calls from branches, make customer meetings, customer interactions, then making presentations to the customers, taking classes to the staff. So all those things are being done here. Due to the constant pressure exerted by one of the visually impaired who is in asset tracking center, she was able to recover around 50,000 rupees, which was not recoverable for almost 2 to 3 years. So that is one of the great achievement. Especially we need access technology like JAWS to read what is on the screen, and OCR software like OpenBook or Kurzweil to read the printed material. Once these two are available, visually impaired can perform equally to the rest of the people in the banking industry. Banking is not only the area where visually impaired can venture into. As far as I know, there are various avenues wherein visually impaired people are into testing team in software, and a person named Mr. Dinakar, he has cleared civil services examination and he is IRS, and many people are working as lecturers, teachers, professors, etc. So the options are wide open, so it is up to us to choose which field we are going to shine on.
I am P. Suresh. I am doing BA English Literature 3rd year in Nandana Arts College. நிறைய பேர் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா ஒரு பிளைண்ட் பர்சனுக்கு ஒரு நார்மல் பொண்ணு கொடுக்கறதுக்கு கஷ்டப்படுறாங்க. ஏன்னா இவங்க நல்லா பார்த்துப்பாங்களா நம்ம பொண்ணை, இவங்களால நம்ம இந்த பையனால் நம்ம பொண்ணுக்கு சந்தோஷம் கிடைக்குமா கிடைக்காதான்றது நிறைய டவுட் இருக்குது. அதை புரிய வச்சாலும் அவங்க அந்த அளவுக்கு சீக்கிரமாக புரிஞ்சிக்க மாட்டேங்கிறாங்க சார். இவனுக்கு இந்த மாதிரி கண்ணு தெரில, ஆனால் நம்ம பொண்ணு கொடுத்து அதே மாதிரி அவங்களுக்கு பிறக்கிற குழந்தை அது மாதிரி இருக்குமான்றது அவங்களுக்கு அந்த மாதிரி சந்தேகம் வருது. மெயினாக இந்த பாயிண்ட் வச்சு தான் அவங்க வந்து ஒரு பிளைண்டுக்கு வந்து ஒரு நார்மல் பொண்ணு கொடுக்கறதுக்கு கஷ்டப்படுறாங்க சார்.
My name is Ramesh Srinivasan. I've been working in software industry for more than 27 years. I work for an organization by name Patterns Software Design Institute, where my job involves evaluation of software architecture and design, suggesting its improvement areas, and coaching people to develop better software. I've been doing all work that a sighted individual does. I've been visually challenged for a very, very long time. I actually teach software engineering drawing too. And I've been having a wonderful life with a person whom I have spent 20 years, and I have 2 daughters whom I would like to introduce to you all. This is my elder daughter, her name is Sunitra, she is doing a chemical engineering. This is my younger daughter, her name is Anshula, she is doing 10th standard. Why I am showing you my daughters is we have a very happy family, and being sighted or unsighted is a matter of attitude. My wife has been extremely supportive, and we have built a good family. In terms of potential and in terms of an output to the world, there is hardly anything to differentiate between a sighted and unsighted person. People must have a different attitude, a different way they look at unsighted people, must share their resources with people like us to make the whole world a better place.
Drishti has been one of the unique projects of Rotary International.
This is Raguraman. I am working as an assistant professor of English at Government Arts College for Men, Nandanam, Chennai. I am also one of the coordinators of this club. Our association with the Rotary family is an invaluable treasure. Rotary's small step towards the visually impaired is a giant leap towards social inclusion. Hence, we submit our sincere gratitude to the whole Rotary family, and we expect our Rotary friends to stay in touch with us forever and ever. there are certain important things to be done for Rotary Club of Drishti. We need to conduct 2 important medical camps. One is general medical camp and the other is eye camp. Regarding general medical camp, there are students suffering from malnutrition and other problems. So we need a team of doctors who could assist us in this regard. Also, there are many partially sighted students studying in our community. So we need a team of eye doctors who could conduct this eye checkup regularly. Regarding the educational stream, we need the assistance of the best trainers, the best expertise from all corners of the world, so that it would be helpful for our students to pursue their higher education in different streams. We request the employers to open up their minds, and we request them to support us in giving a space for the visually impaired, so that it would be helpful for them to exhibit their potentials and they could be a contributor to the society. With reference to technology, a visually impaired is independent because of the assistive technology. So we want the best advanced assistive technology from all walks of life, so that it would be enabling the visually impaired to be independent. Above all, we need to create a corpus fund, a financial assistance. So we seek the support of all the good Samaritans to help us in creating this corpus fund. Hope all our dreams will come true. Thank you.
My name is Rotarian Ganeshan. I am a Rotarian from the Rotary Club of Madras East, and I was fortunate enough to be the assistant governor when Rotaract Club of Drishti was started. I am so proud to be a part of the movement that is Rotaract Club of Drishti, which is doing great service for the visually challenged in the Rotary world. So when we visited the Karna Vidya project of the Rotary Club of Madras Coromandel, we decided that we should start a Rotaract Club for such energetic, young and potential students who are visually challenged. With the help of the president of Rotary Club of Madras Coromandel, Bala, who was very energetic, we started this club. Because of the guidance of Professor Raghuraman and Professor Vijay Kumar, they have been able to bring in the talents from various walks of life who are also visually challenged. It is not enough that we stop with what we have done so far. There is a long way to go. We solicit the help of people, Good Samaritans, the Rotarians from all over the world to come and help the growth of Rotaract Club of Drishti, which is one of the most unique Rotaract clubs in the world. They need to be guided on getting the best technological input from all over the world. They need to be supported in terms of the employment opportunities that is essential, that is available for the visually challenged. They need to be supported also financially, and I think it is only appropriate that all the Rotarians from all over the world come together to help the cause of Rotaract Club of Drishti.
Through the Rotaract Club of Drishti, a moral resource center is going to be opened very shortly with the support of the Rotary Club of Madras Coromandel, and will be dedicated for the visually challenged people across Tamil Nadu.